Welcome back to my YouTube channel Driven Daily, and today we're diving into one of the most talked about compact SUVs of the year. The 2026 Honda CR-V. This model continues Honda's legacy of reliability and smart design, but with refinements that make it feel more modern, more confident, more in tune with what drivers actually want in 2026. Asterisk at first glance. The 2026 CR-V keeps the clean and muscular look that made the previous generation so popular. But everything feels sharper and more purposeful. The wider stance, sculpted body lines, and bold front grille give it a premium presence without trying too hard. Honda has clearly focused on balance here, sporty enough for younger drivers, yet refined enough for families and longtime CR-V fans. The LED lighting front and rear adds a high-end touch, especially at night, making the vehicle instantly recognizable on the road. Asterisk, step inside. And this is where the CR-V really shows its strength. The cabin is spacious, airy, and thoughtfully laid out. Honda has improved material quality across the board, with soft touch surfaces, durable trims, and a design that feels both modern and practical. Everything is right where you expect it to be, which makes daily driving stress-free. The seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for long commutes or weekend road trips. And rear seat passengers get generous legroom, making this a true family-friendly SUV. Asterisk technology is another area where the 2026 Honda CR-V shines. The infotainment system is smoother and more responsive, with a larger touchscreen that supports smartphone integrations seamlessly. Whether you're navigating city traffic, streaming music, or using voice commands, everything feels intuitive. Digital displays are clear and easy to read, giving the driver important information without distraction. Honda's focus here is not on flashy gimmicks, yet on technology that actually improves the driving experience. Asterisk, under the hood. The 2026 CR-V continues to offer efficient and dependable powertrain options. Honda remains committed to fuel efficiency, making this SUV ideal for daily use without sacrificing performance. The acceleration is smooth, the ride quality is refined, and the handling feels confident on both highways and winding roads. It's the kind of vehicle that feels comfortable in any situation, whether you're running errands or heading out on a long journey. Asterisk, safety has always been a strong point for Honda, and the 2026 CR-V is no exception. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance, features designed to keep you and your passengers protected. From collision mitigation to lane assistance and adaptive cruise control, these systems work quietly in the background, adding an extra layer of confidence every time you get behind the wheel. Asterisk, what truly makes the 2026 Honda CR-V special is how well it fits into everyday life. It's practical without being boring, stylish without being flashy, and advanced without being overwhelming. Honda understands its audience, and this CR-V reflects that understanding perfectly. It's a vehicle built for real people with real needs, offering reliability, comfort, and value all in one well-rounded package. Asterisk, if you're looking for a compact SUV that delivers consistency, modern features, and long-term dependability, the 2026 Honda CR-V deserves serious attention. This is not just an update. It's a refined evolution of one of Honda's most successful models, and it continues to set the standard in its class.